Many workplace accidents don't happen during the job. They happen before the job even begins. One missed hazard, one unclear instruction, one small misunderstanding. That's all it takes for a routine task to turn into a serious incident. But there's a powerful safety practice that helps prevent these situations. Pre-job briefings. The Pre-Job Briefings course from OSHA Outreach Courses teaches workers and supervisors how to properly prepare for a task before work begins. This 17-minute online training shows how effective job briefings improve communication and identify potential hazards early. It ensures every team member understands their responsibilities. Whether you work in construction, maintenance, utilities, or industrial environments, this training applies. Inside this course, you'll discover how experienced teams approach job planning and safety discussions before starting work. You'll learn how crews prepare for tasks by reviewing the work scope and discussing possible risks. The course explains how teams communicate critical safety information and review protective measures before work begins. You'll learn to confirm that the right equipment and procedures are in place before work starts. Asking the right questions before starting a job helps workers anticipate problems and prevent incidents. These simple steps create a safer, more organized work environment where everyone knows the plan. Taking this course strengthens communication between team members and helps everyone start with a clear understanding of the task. It helps workers recognize hazards earlier and reduces the chances of injuries or unexpected incidents. And it supports a stronger workplace safety culture where planning, awareness, and teamwork come first. Once you complete the training, you'll receive a certificate of completion demonstrating your commitment to safety. Learn how proper pre-job briefings can prevent accidents, improve communication, and create safer work sites. Click the link in the description and sign up for the Pre-Job Briefings course from OSHA Outreach Courses.
Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to OSHA Outreach Courses.